Hello guys, if your Wi-Fi connection is getting slow or your LAN connectivity is not working properly, it means giving not the proper bandwidth to work on and something to losing connectivity of your internet. So this video is for you. So let's do some settings on internet adapter so we can just perform it and we can create the good connectivity. So first we need to just click to start menu and type run and click here, and inside the run we need to type ncpa.cpl. ncpa, this is the shortcut to come to the network settings, and you can see network connections. And if you want to change the settings in ethernet or in wi-fi, so the settings will be same, only we need to go the particular setting and change it. So I'm going to change my wi-fi connection, and actually this is the admin credentials required on this. So if your system is requiring admin credentials, so just put it. I'm also going to put my credentials here. It is asking, just a second. Okay, so once you put your credentials, it will show you the settings like this. We need to go to the configure, and in advanced tab, uh, okay, now here we need to change the fat channel intolerance. And once you click the intolerance in enable, so it will boost your connectivity of internet. Suppose suppose uh, if it is working in the 90%, so it will boost to the 100%. It means 10 to 15% of your this connectivity it will boost. So we need to just enable it. And the second setting is that roaming aggressiveness, so it is by default or the medium, and by default is the medium, but we can just make it low or lowest, because if we go to high, then our connectivity will go low. So that's why we need to choose the lower one. So I'm going to make it medium low, because the very low will be also just change the settings or something. So we are going to medium low. Let's click to OK. It will take just a second. Yeah, it will just disconnected my connection and connect again. Now the second thing is that we need to put manual DNS of Google on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter, so it will faster connectivity for searching. Suppose you are going to search anything on browser, so the first thing is that the browser takes the DNS to reach out where the setting or where the kind of searchability is going on. So if we put the DNS manually, then it will work more faster. So it is only recommended for a personal internet connection. Else, if you're using any company network, so that would be the lease line or something. So you don't need to just worry about that. It will work better. So I'm going to set the DNS address. So again, you need to click to the properties and hit and enter your password. I'm just entering the password. Okay. Now we need to click to the Internet Protocol version 4. Once we click here, need to go to properties and use the following DNS server address. So once we are here, we only need to provide Google DNS, and Google DNS is in upper row. Preferred DNS is 4 times 8, and alternate DNS is 2 times 8 and 2 times 4. That's it. So once we click like this, it will search and work faster more. So once you do these settings, just take a system reboot or restart, and then try to search something or try to access on URL or browser. So it will definitely work more faster than average. And this is the setting that you can also work. Or if you are having any internet connectivity problem, suppose it is just getting disconnected or something, so just click here and search reset network. So you will get the settings of the reset network on your system. Currently it is disabled in my system, that's why it is not showing. So you can just reset your network and it will definitely work fine as well. So that's all today. Thank you.